What if I told you that fossilized dinosaur eggs have been found not on Earth but on Mars? Yes, you heard that right. Millions of years ago, terrifying creatures may have roamed the red planet, leaving behind fossilized eggs, strange statues, and mysterious ruins. And here's the shocking part. NASA's very own rovers have captured these images, yet, again and again, we're told it's just rocks or erosion. But what if that's not the full truth? What if Mars was once home to intelligent predators, builders of rockets, who escaped their dying planet and came to Earth? And what if we humans are their descendants? Let's uncover the chilling story of Mars, its mysterious eggs, and the secrets NASA may not want us to know. On August 15, 2025, NASA's Curiosity rover was climbing the rugged terrain of Geddes Vallis Ridge on Mars when its high-resolution cameras spotted something strange. Smooth, round, clustered objects embedded in the Martian soil. At first glance, they looked exactly like fossilized dinosaur eggs. Their texture was different from the surrounding rocks, lighter, shinier, and unusually uniform. When NASA tested them with Curiosity's ChemCam laser, something shocking was revealed. These eggs contained abnormally high levels of calcium and sulfur, the very same elements found in eggshells on Earth. The images went viral. Forums, social media, and conspiracy groups exploded with theories. Were these the fossilized remains of giant Martian creatures? Or was NASA covering up something extraordinary? This wasn't the first strange discovery on Mars. Just months earlier, NASA's Perseverance rover had captured images of tiny, clustered spider egg-like formations on the Martian surface. Thousands of them, packed together. The resemblance to eggs was uncanny. Go back further in history, and the list grows longer. Perfectly shaped door-like structures found on cliff sides, rock formations resembling Buddha statues, and even a Ganesh idol. Geometrically cut stones that look too precise to be natural. Every single time, NASA's official explanation has been the same, just erosion. But can erosion really account for statues, doors, and now fossilized eggs? To understand why these discoveries matter, we need to step back, billions of years back. Today, Mars is dry, dusty, and lifeless, but 3 billion years ago, it was a completely different world. Mars had oceans, rivers, lakes, and even a thick atmosphere. Its magnetic field shielded it from deadly solar radiation, making it a perfect environment for life. Imagine a red world with deep blue seas. In those oceans, strange creatures swam, massive, terrifying predators, unlike anything on Earth. Some evolved wings and ruled the skies, others hunted in packs chasing prey until exhaustion, then striking with advanced weapons. Yes, advanced weapons. According to conspiracy theorists, these predators weren't just animals, they were intelligent beings. They understood mathematics. They created tools. They built machines. They saw their planet dying and prepared to leave. But Mars was doomed. Over time, its magnetic field weakened, allowing the atmosphere to escape into space. Without protection, deadly cosmic radiation bombarded the surface. The oceans evaporated. Rivers dried up. The lush red world turned into a barren desert. But the intelligent predators, the so-called Martian ancestors, had a plan. They built rockets, left Mars, and looked toward Earth. And that leads us to the most shocking theory of all. We humans may not be Earth-born at all. We could be descendants of Martians who migrated here billions of years ago. The mystery of life on Mars has been around for decades. In 1976, NASA's Viking landers ran soil experiments. When water was added, oxygen and carbon dioxide were released, suggesting microbial activity. But NASA dismissed it as a chemical reaction. In 1984, a meteorite from Mars found in Antarctica contained microscopic structures that looked like fossilized bacteria. NASA announced it in 1996, then went quiet. In 2012, Curiosity rover detected organic molecules and methane spikes, both linked to life. Again, NASA refused to make bold claims, and now in 2025, we see egg-like formations dismissed once more. To many, this pattern looks like a cover-up. But why would NASA, or any space agency, hide proof of life on Mars? One reason could be fear. If humanity learns we're descendants of Martians, our entire history, religion, and understanding of evolution could be overturned overnight. Another reason could be control. Imagine the panic, or even the power struggles if ancient alien fossils were confirmed. Governments and corporations would race to exploit the discovery. Or maybe, just maybe, the truth is far stranger than we can handle. Of course, not everyone agrees with the alien theory. Many scientists insist the egg-shaped structures are natural. They suggest they could have formed billions of years ago when water and minerals interacted, leaving behind spherical crystal formations. And they're not wrong. Mars has plenty of geological oddities, but here's the catch. Even if they're natural, they still prove one thing. Water existed on Mars for a very long time. And wherever water exists, life has a chance. The good news? We might not have to wait long for answers. NASA is planning a Mars sample return mission around 2030, designed to bring rocks and soil from Mars back to Earth. The European Space Agency's ExoMars mission will go even further, drilling 2 meters below the Martian surface. Why underground? Because if life ever existed, traces of it might still be preserved beneath the radiation-bombarded top layer. These missions could finally reveal whether Mars was once alive, or still is. So here we are. On one side, NASA tells us the egg-like formations are just erosion. On the other, millions of people believe they're the fossilized remains of terrifying Martian creatures who may have become us. If true, it means our earthly story didn't begin on Earth at all. It began on Mars. So what do you think? Are these fossilized eggs the remains of ancient Martian predators? Are we, humans, the descendants of a lost Martian civilization? Or is it simply another trick of geology and erosion? Whatever the truth, one thing is certain. The Red Planet is keeping secrets. Secrets that may one day change everything we know about ourselves, our origins, and our place in the universe. The mystery of Mars is far from over. And before you go, let me ask you something. Did this mystery blow your mind just a little bit? If yes, then don't forget to hit that like button, because it really helps me bring more stories like this to you. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and ring the bell icon so you never miss the secrets of space, science, and the mysteries that they don't tell you about. Trust me, you won't want to miss what's coming next.